Thank you, Dad, for buying it for me.
Welcome.
Okay, so guys, I've successfully purchased something. Can you guess? Mermaid? No. Sunny stroll? No. It says thank you, purchase, restored successfully. And by the way, guys, why did I something? Why did I something? My nose. Okay. Ooh, it's a key. Turning on. I need to fast. Papa. Get up. Ooh, family. Family pack. Hey. Get your way, you stupid little baby. I'm gonna hit you with it. I'm definitely not going to hit the baby with this stool. Not really. Give me. Oh, heavens of God. I know this may kind of sound very funny. Poop. Please boss. अरे चले जाओ यार यहाँ से. पर कैसे? हे, अब मर गए. देखो मुझे देखने दो. हाँ ये वाला. Ira pack. नहीं. No. Oh, this is cold. Come. One baby, yay! How many is there? How many? I think I'm gonna take 24 hours to even get everything unlocked. अरे end करो यार. No! Is there like 50,000? Game, can you next time please make something slow for a little bit? This looks cool. I look cute. Do I look cute? Hi. Okay guys, have you even sent anyone? Since when does a person even wear a rain? Don't mind about. Since when does a person have you seen anybody wearing headphones in a silly little rain? No? Then why is there a sock here?